Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by WarrantyWise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic top-of-the-range Ford Fiesta Titanium X for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the clutch, press the Ford power button there, car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. Right, away we go. So the car pulled away nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel good. The suspensions ride in the bumps on this country road with ease. Got all through the gears. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels spot on. So the car is driving fantastic as it should. The Ford Fiesta is a really nice car to drive. With this being the Titanium X model, obviously you've got a lot of specification. So you've got these really nice half leather seats, which are heated in the front as well. Got sat nav on display there, which I think the sat nav is actually an upgrade. On this Sony multimedia system, there's also Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming, DAB radio, as well as FM, AM and CD player. These roads aren't normally this busy. We've got a USB port and an auxiliary input as well, so there's loads of different ways to connect your devices. Also climate control here, heated front windscreen, great for demisting as well as de-icing in the winter. A really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Sorry about that. I've done loads of these test drive videos. You'd think my clutch control would be better than that. But nobody's perfect. That's better. Also got electric windows in the front and the rear, automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers. Oh, and a reversing camera as well as reversing sensors. So yeah, really, really nice car. Fantastic specification. It's going to make a great car for somebody. Maybe that's you. So I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks for watching. You take care and bye for now.